In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a photography website using WordPress and Elementor step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This method is perfect for photographers who want a clean, professional website to showcase their portfolio, attract clients, and look credible online without touching any code. We'll be using WordPress, the Astra theme, and Elementor, which together make website building fast, flexible, and beginner-friendly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, once you've installed WordPress on your hosting, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel, where you manage everything on your website, from pages and posts to themes and plugins. From here, we're going to start by installing a lightweight theme that works perfectly with Elementor. Next, go to Appearance and then click on Themes. Click Add New, search for the Astra theme, and then click Install and Activate. Astra is one of the most popular WordPress themes because it's fast, customizable, and works extremely well with page builders like Elementor. Using a fast theme is especially important for photography websites since images can slow things down if the theme isn't optimized. Once Astra is activated, the next step is to install the plugins we need. Head over to Plugins and click Add New. Search for Elementor Website Builder, install it, and activate it. Elementor will allow you to visually design your pages by dragging and dropping elements, which makes customization very easy. After that, search for the Starter Templates plugin by Astra, install it, and activate it as well. This plugin gives you access to ready-made website templates that you can import with one click. Now that everything is installed, go to Appearance and then Starter Templates. In the search bar, type Photography. You'll see a collection of professionally designed photography websites. Browse through them and choose a template that matches your style, whether you're into wedding photography, portraits, landscapes, or creative photography. Click on the template you like and then proceed with the setup. During the setup process, you'll be asked to confirm your page builder, so make sure Elementor is selected. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the import. This will automatically create pages, menus, and demo content for your site. Once the import is complete, your photography website structure is ready. Now comes the fun part, customizing your site. Visit your website and click Edit with Elementor on any page you want to change. You can click on text to edit it, replace images with your own photos, adjust colors, and update fonts to match your brand. Make sure to update important sections like your homepage, portfolio gallery, about page, and contact page. Add your contact details, social media links, and a contact form so potential clients can easily reach you. Take your time here because this is what makes your website unique and personal. Once you're happy with your design, click Update to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a photography website using WordPress and Elementor. You now have a professional-looking site that you can keep improving as your photography business grows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who's looking to build a photography website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.